Hi guys, long time no see. It's been a crazy couple of weeks and I am just about getting back into making some videos. I have a couple items I want to share for you, beginning with some jewelry and a couple of handbags. So without further ado, let's get started. The first item from today is from Narcissus Fine Jewelry. This is a Etsy shop that hand makes all of their jewelry from Greece, and I've just actually taken this off. This is a 4 diamond small pendant, and the chain is customizable. It is a lobster clasp. You have the option of 9 or 14 karat gold, and I selected a 9 karat gold. Each piece does come with a card which will give you the grade of the diamonds, and as you can see, it is set, I forget what type of setting this is called, but it is very, very well made. This is extremely dainty, and I'll go ahead and do a quick mod shot, but it is meant to resemble a beautiful flower. This is what the necklace looks like on. This is 15 inches and it sits right at my collarbone. The next item is this Dooney and Burke domed satchel bag. And this is my first domed Dooney. It is the steed print because I really like horses. There is the gold plate on the front. The bottom, there are 4 feet. This strip here, along with the handles, is made of leather. However, this part of the bag itself, I believe, is PVC, polyurethane. It's a type of plastic. What I particularly love, it does have drop handles, is that this is going to age and patina beautifully. You can see the stitching is very well done. And it also comes with a beautiful leather strap with this type of, I forget what this is called, the closure name. There's a D-ring on each side of the handbag. The zipper does have a nice leather pull. The inside of the handbag does have a Dooney and Burke plate stitching name thing. There is a pocket, a slip pocket, and flipping this around to the other side, there are 2 more pockets. This is a cotton lining, and as you can see, it can be a little bit difficult to open, so this is more of a special occasion. The second handbag to share is also a Dooney and Burke. This is the Pinocchio Camera Bag. So look at the plate. And this one I love, has a beautiful leather tag here. It does say Pinocchio. Has the Disney information. You can see on the side, this strap is attached. On the bottom, there are no feet, so this will be used sparingly. The other side, this one also has a leather pull for the zipper, and it does come very smooth. On the inside of the bag, there is a information about the bag, the Dooney and Burke name thing, a side pocket, On the other side, there's also another big slip pocket. This is large enough to fit the iPhone that I am filming with. So this print does have Cleo and Figaro and a little clock. I have a lovely cat, and as you know, I am particular to Disney. As you can tell, they look quite a bit alike. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next go round.